The jury is selected and attorneys from both sides jumped right into opening statements for the case of the rapper Plies versus 5 Gainesville residents who say that he's responsible for their injuries related to a nightclub shooting that happened almost 6 years ago. There were accusations, objections, even an argument over whether the use of the N-word would be allowed in the courtroom. The trial began with objections right off the bat. Judge David Ryman banned plaintiff attorneys from using billboards and posters in their opening statements. This photo of the plaintiff, Michael Damon, lying in a hospital bed with head injuries was displayed briefly before the judge asked the jury to leave the room. At the heart of the case is whether Plies is responsible for the shooting that took place at 238 West in Gainesville as he performed on the stage. The fight broke out and shots were fired into the crowd. Plies has pleaded no contest to having an illegal concealed weapon that night. His armed bodyguard's brother, Ronell Levette, and 2 other men served time in prison for shooting 5 people. Now, almost 6 years later, those shooting victims say they've suffered and want Plies held responsible for his negligence.
I'm going to talk to you about what happened on July 2nd, some of what you've heard. I'm going to kind of put the context of conduct. I'm kind of explain what you may see throughout the trial.
But Plies' attorneys say that he's innocent and that the victim's claims are fabricated and exaggerated.
Our hope is to bring out the truth so justice can be done. That's what we want done in this case. I'm confident in our judicial process. I'm confident that jurors are going to realize the truth, find the truth, and do justice in this case.
Plies' attorneys objected to the plaintiffs using blown-up posters with the N-word, even though Plies uses the word in his music. The judge threw the objection out. Plies spent the duration of the day hiding and ducking from our cameras. He hid behind this box and computer, only standing up when the judge and jurors entered the courtroom. The trial resumes tomorrow with more testimony from witnesses and experts. Reporting from the Alachua County Courthouse, I'm Sia New Yorker, GTN News, working for you.